Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with Indian contingent heading to Paris for Olympics. Indian Railways running 10,000 special trains this summer season, says Ashwini Vaishnav. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited flood-affected area in plain belt of Garo Hills. Government is pursuing additional rupees 89.90 crore for repairing and developing 102-kilometer roads at National Highway 6. And Labour Party secures landslide victory in UK parliamentary election. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the Indian contingent heading to Paris for the Olympics. Interacting with the athletes yesterday, Modi expressed confidence that the contingent will bring glory to India. He said that the Olympics is a big field to not only win but also learn. Modi said that one should have a steadfast resolve to move ahead and win, keeping aside all the excuses and all the complaints. Recalling the importance of practice and consistency in the world of sports, Modi strongly urged to also focus on good sleep.
जाने के मूड में होंगे और जीतने के मूड में होंगे और मैं आपका जीत करके वापस आओगे तब स्वागत करने के मूड में हूं और इसलिए वैसे मेरी कोशिश रहती है कि खेल जगत से जुड़े हमारे देश के जो सितारे हैं उनसे मिलता रहूं, नई चीजें जानता रहूं, उनके प्रयासों को समझता रहूं.
Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav today said that Indian Railways is manufacturing 2,500 general coaches this year, and this will follow the manufacturing of 10,000 more general coaches. Speaking on the occasion of a MOU signing between Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya of Indian Railways and leading commercial aircraft manufacturer Airbus, Vaishnav said that the government's prime focus has been to cater to the economically weaker section and middle class. He also informed that Railways is also running about 10,000 special trains this summer season to fulfill the heavy demand during this period.
और इस साल का जो टारगेट है उस तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं. कवच का रोल आउट भी बहुत तेजी से आगे जाने में ये इनिशिएटिव लिया गया है. दो और मैं विषय आपके सामने रखना चाहूंगा. जनरल कोचेस 2,500 स्पेशल ड्राइव के तहत मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ और 10,000 जनरल कोचेस का अप्रूवल हुआ है. बहुत बड़ी संख्या में इस बार समर में रेलवे ने करीब 10,000 से अधिक स्पेशल ट्रेन्स चलाई हैं, जिससे कि जो समर का जो हैवी डिमांड होता है उसको पूरा किया जा सके.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visited flood-affected areas in the plain belt of Garo Hills today. Sangma has visited the areas of Silkata, Haripur and Namabila area of West Garo Hills, accompanied by Selsala MLA Arvin Stone B. Marak. He has directed the administration to ensure all necessary assistance and relief is provided.
जाके मैंने देखा है और इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए हैं कि जहां जहां जो रिलीफ मटेरियल मिलना चाहिए सारा हम लोग देंगे. कभी भी अगर कुछ भी इश्यू हुआ, कहीं पे कुछ कमी रही तो आप एमएलए को या वीडीओ को या एसडीओ को आप लोग बता देना. ठीक है? क्योंकि ये बहुत बड़ा काम है. कहीं कहीं छोटी कमी हो सकती है, लेकिन ये हम लोग नहीं करना चाहते इसलिए नहीं है, लेकिन क्योंकि इतना ज्यादा काम हो रहा है कि कहीं कहीं पे कुछ कमी हो सकती है.
Meghalaya Minister in charge of power, Abu Tahir Mondal, on Thursday said that the imminent threat of floods in the plain belt areas of Garo Hills is very grim considering the flood situation in Assam. Early Thursday morning, the minister held a meeting with the authorities and was informed that the water level is below the danger mark, but the manner in which the water is rising may cross the danger mark. He informed that he has directed concerned deputy commissioners and BDOs to take necessary steps and extend a possible help.
But this year it seems there will be some problem as far as flood is concerned. The way water is rising, it may cross the danger mark, but we alerted the district administration, the BDO concerned, to look into all the things and extend all possible help.
Legislator from Saipung Sutnga constituency, Santam Marishalla, on Thursday said that Meghalaya government is pursuing additional rupees 89.90 crore for repairing and developing 102-kilometer roads at national level Highway 6 in East Giant Hills district. Addressing a press conference in Shillong, Shella said the Ministry of Road Transport and Highway has already sanctioned rupees 281 crores in October last year for this project, and the project is expected to be completed by 2025. She also informed that after receiving the sanction of rupees 289 crore, the work has been allotted to 2 contractors.
The work is still going on. I would like to thank the Ministry of Roads, Transport and Highway for the sanction. They have given 200.81 crores. On the 17th, if I'm not mistaken, on the 17th of October 2023. So this sanction was done and work has been allotted also to 2 contractors, about 103 crores, and the other one is 60 crores. And the 89.90 crores, it's on process. DPR has been sent to the ministry.
The Meghalaya Human Rights Commission today decided to close down the case on the complaint against former East Khasi Hills SP Rituraj Ravi that he had tried to forcefully evict a lady from Ribhoi, Bindas Aim, who was tagging hunger strike at a parking lot near Additional Secretariat on the night of June 9th. Talking to reporters, Justice T. Vaipai said that neither the complainant nor the aggrieved person turned before the commission when the case was called on for hearing at 11:30 a.m. He further said that in the absence of the complainant or the aggrieved person, the case cannot proceed with effectively. Under the circumstances, they have no alternative but to close the case.
What was the submission before the commission? He totally denied the allegations. So we call upon the complainant to produce the aggrieved person to substantiate the case. But as I said earlier, neither the complainant nor the aggrieved person appear before us, though they were sufficiently given notice for their appearance.
UDP leader and MDA spokesperson Paul Lingdo on Thursday informed that the HSPDP, which is a constituent of Regional Democratic Alliance, have expressed its willingness to withdraw support from the alliance. Lingdo said that it would be better only if the HSPDP withdraws, as the alliance could manage only 5% of the total votes. He also said the emergence of the VPP as a party is a watershed moment in the political situation of Meghalaya.
Possibility. Yeah. First, its unwillingness to continue with the RT.
So, will it not hamper your...
Oh, you might say so. We might think that it's better that we work different ways, since we could not touch 5%, reach 5% of the total votes this time. Probably had we contested as UDP alone, we could have crossed that. So these are all in the realm of the probable. But I'm saying that the VPP's entry into electoral politics is a welcome sign because it marks a watershed moment in Meghalaya's polity where the plurality of regional parties is a confirmed fact.
The Labour Party is securing a landslide victory in the UK's parliamentary election. Party leader Keir Starmer is set to become Britain's next Prime Minister, defeating incumbent Prime Minister Rishi Sunak's Conservative Party. As per the latest data, Labour has won 409 of the 650 seats. In his victory speech, 61-year-old Starmer said people voted for it and change begins now. British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak took responsibility for the loss in his acceptance speech, saying the British people have delivered a sobering verdict and there is much to learn.
The country have spoken and they're ready for change, to end the politics of performance, a return to politics as public service. The change begins right here because this is your democracy, your community and your future. You have voted. It is now time for us to deliver.
The HYC Riboy Sepngi inspected the road from War Mau Sao to Baklapara, which is 6 km from War Mau Sao station, yesterday under the leadership of President R.C. Thankeu. Speaking to the media, the president of HYC Riboy Sepngi, R.C. Thankeu, urged the state government to turn its attention to this road, which has been neglected by the government for many years.
Lapoi. I have much come today. Hadin ka jing yo jing ya ka jing ujor yang jogi ba bon balang ki pai ba ki ba te ke ka message ka ba shine ka wa ba dong sha unumi khwat ka jing ko long ba sobha ba phin pe lam ye ka jing ya jogi pai ba jong ka ne ka jaka ki ba sa hang ne bat haba ki yo ye ne usurak kalada kalong ban repair ki kham tam ka por liur mo kalong ka jing ku bat haju ka por kalong ka jimuntoy nam ta ki pai ba ki ba shong ki ba sa ha ka ne ka jaka ki than war musau bat sobar.
The Meghalaya Arm Wrestling Association hosted a street arm fight event at Mulki Point in Shillong today. According to MAWA President Junsester Karbuli, the association is thrilled to see a significant number of athletes selected for the World Championship this year, including women and para-athletes across various categories. He also informed that 26 athletes were participating at the event. The best player will be chosen to represent Meghalaya at the World Arm Wrestling Championship in Maldives, which will be held in August. This is an important announcement. The state government has announced a dedicated disaster emergency number to streamline crisis management and support. For any disaster-related emergencies, please call these emergencies number 112 or 1070. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 23.3 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature recorded 18 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 96%. Relative humidity in the evening was 92%. Rainfall recorded today was 4.3 millimeter. The forecast: moderate rain and thunder shower are likely to occur at most places. Before we end the news, a quick look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with Indian contingent heading to Paris for Olympics. Indian Railways running 10,000 special trains this summer season, says Ashwini Vaishnav. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma visit flood-affected areas in plain belt of Garo Hills. Government is pursuing additional rupees 89.90 crore for repairing and developing 102-kilometer roads at National Highway 6. And Labour Party secures landslide victory in UK parliamentary election. Well, viewers, with that we've come to the end of the news for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.